Safe Space Kids!
Goes grunt, 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 grunt. Listen close, what do you hear? Safari animals far and near. They make sounds both big and small. Let's learn to say them all. The lion says roar, 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 roar. The giraffe says munch, munch, munch. Goes grunt, 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 grunt. The crocodile says snap, 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 snap. The elephant says toot, 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 toot. The monkey says ooh, ah, ah, ah. And the tiger goes gar, gar, gar. The lion says roar, 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 roar. The giraffe says munch, munch, munch. Goes grunt, 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 grunt. The yak says snort, snort, snort. The zebra says clip, clop, 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 clop. The gorilla says thump, 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 thump. And we all sing stomp, 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 stomp.